Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf, or Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to continue to talk about possessions. We're going to see how to use the possessive case, okay? Now, we learned possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and now we're going to see a different possibility to express possession. So let's have a look. Take a look at this house. It's big, right? This is my friend's house. So let's take a look here. His house is very big. Tom's house is very big. Now, what's the difference between the two sentences here? His house is very big. Tom's house is very big. Well, here we use the possessive adjective. His house is very big. In the second sentence, we use the possessive case. S, apostrophe S, represents possession. Okay? So, his house is very big is very similar to Tom's house is very big. So you see, these are different ways to express possession. Okay? Let's see some other examples here. Let's see. Raf's sister is beautiful. Raf's sister is beautiful. Susan's dog is sick. So guys, remember, you can use possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and now you have a third possibility, possessive case. Guys, don't forget to study hard, and most importantly, always use your English. Bye-bye.